Hey YouTube, I hope everyone is doing well. I am finally back with a hair video, and in particular we're going to be talking about lock baths and lock cleansing. So this summer it'll make 5 years since I've had my locks, and I've never done a lock bath or some kind of cleansing treatment on it. I had to go ahead and put in a disclaimer for folks that might be like, have you never washed your hair? Yes, I wash my hair. So we're going to get into it today. I'll show you what my hair is looking like these days. I'm starting to get some nice length and nice hang time. But as you can see, they're pretty dull and dusty looking and just are in need of a cleanse. I have a pretty dry scalp that flakes quite often, so you may see some flakes in there. It may look kind of grimy in there, but we're gonna get everything out of it today. So let's get into it. So my lock bath is gonna start with very warm water, a clarifying shampoo, and to that shampoo we're going to add some baking soda alongside a little bit of apple cider vinegar. And you wanna make sure you have a towel handy for the water that will no doubt spill. Starting off, I'm gonna pour in, I don't know, couple tablespoons of that shampoo. This is not an exact recipe. I am pouring in some water that I heated in a kettle on my stove. And to that, I'm going to add, I think I did 1/3 of a cup of baking soda. Look how it bubbles. All right, and then the last thing I'm putting in is 1/3 of a cup of the ACV, the apple cider vinegar, and watch it expand. And I'm gonna give it a nice stir, just to make sure all the powder is dissolved. And here you can see what the final solution looks like. So I lay down my towel and I just submerge my locks. The water is very hot, as you can see. There's steam coming off of it. I submerge and I dip and I dunk. Now a little bit of a warning here. If you are a person that is kind of squeamish about dirt, yeah, you might want to roll out now. I'm just saying, I'm going to show dirt, right? That's what people want to see. I'm stirring my locks with a spoon. Why am I using a spoon? Because the water is that hot and I just didn't want to touch it with my hands because it was very warm to the touch. Okay, we're seeing the murkiness. It's appearing. Again, we've talked about this. The dirt is upon us in 3, 2. Oh, yeah. Wow. That works, huh? Let's get a like for like, side by side. All right, we got a fresh, clean bath for number 2, just so you can see what it looks like. That is the color of the water. So this is clean. The depth of color that you see is from the apple cider vinegar. So let's get started with number 2. All right, folks, round 2 underway. Yes, I'm using a spoon. Don't worry, I'll throw it out. It's my spoon. All right. Ooh, I got too close to my scalp. Cleansing and cleaning, bubbles and suds. Get into it. All right, round 2, dirty as hell. Let's keep going. So I continue on with this process of creating fresh baths and dunking my hair and wringing it out. And of course, because there's a shampoo in here, I'm actually able to shampoo with every single bath that I do. So it really is quite a thorough cleaning. It was crazy to me though. It was crazy to me though, the amount of dirt that I saw. That was bath number 1. That was bath number 2. I mean, it just seemed like the dirt was not gonna stop, y'all. And then we kind of started to get some hope around bath 4, you know, and 5. But what can I say? It did not ever get 100% clear. And after a while, I was like, 7 is enough for me. It's time to move on. All right guys, we are back in the bathroom and we are done with the loc'd baths. I did a total of 7 rounds of baths on my hair. So next thing is, what am I gonna do to try to minimize the amount of product that I put in my hair going forward? So for my retwist today, I'm gonna do a final rinse, make sure the shampoo and the baking soda is out of it. And then I'm gonna do a very light coating of the melanin multi-use oil. I really like this oil because it smells great, it's super light, it absorbs really quickly, and it just kind of leaves a nice little shine on my hair. So I'm gonna coat with this, a little bit of water, retwist, and then I'm just gonna be done and call it a day. All right guys, so this is the finished product after doing the 7 loc'd baths, a final warm water rinse. I massaged in some of the melanin hair oil, and then I went through and I did a water only retwist, and this is what I got. The locks are super light and they smell amazing, and my scalp is looking nice and clean and flake free, and I'm very happy about that. So some lessons learned for me doing the loc'd bath for the first time. Number one, I really think that it's impossible to get your locks 100% clean. After all, it is a sponge of knotted shed hair, and it gets tighter and more condensed over the years. And I think this is just a nice routine activity that maybe I'll do once every year or so, just try to really deep cleanse the hair and get everything out. But I don't think it's possible to be 100% dirt-free, just saying. Number two, I wanted to share that I am someone that does regularly shampoo my hair. I go to a loctician every 3 or 4 weeks. She uses very minimal product on my hair. So even if you're someone that washes your hair thoroughly and you take care of it, I think it's just inevitable that dirt will build up. And then my last point that I would share is definitely make sure that you do some kind of moisturizing treatment after doing a bath. I found that my hair, after using that shampoo and that baking soda, it felt very squeaky clean, which is more clean than I prefer it to be because all the hair has been stripped of its oils. So putting the oil back into it was good just for the feel of it and to restore some of the moisture too. Overall, I am very excited about how my hair has turned out. I'm so happy that I tried doing the loc'd bath for the first time, and I am sure that I will do it again. I hope that you guys are doing great, and I will certainly be back with another video, hopefully soon. Have a good one.